Let's talk about the best crypto miner for beginners. So this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen, if you want to start mining crypto and possibly make a lot of money in the future, you need to use the right miner. Miner. A good choice for beginners is Honey Miner. It's easy to set up and it doesn't need special computer skills. All you got to do is download the app and let it start working. Okay? It's going to start mining crypto while you're on the computer. Okay? Step one is to download Honey Miner to your PC. Once it's installed, it's going to start mining right away. So don't worry if it looks a little bit confusing at first. Just follow the simple steps on the screen and you're going to be basically ready to go in no time. Step two is to leave your computer running while you work or you sleep. And the longer you let it mine, the more rewards you're going to get. The crypto that you earn will be stored in your account and you can see it grow over time. Step three is to stay consistent. Mining crypto takes time, but if you stick with it, you could see big rewards in the future. All right, now listen, by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people on crypto.com already, open the account, the app, through my referral link below because we could both get rewarded in very nice ways.